Today we will be talking about how high-density polyethylene is made, as well as some of the properties that will make it useful for different applications.
In everyday life, HDPE is most commonly referred to as just plastic. Most of the commercial plastic products, like milk jug and garbage can, are produced from HDPE. HDPE are invented in 1950s, and at first it was used to produce pipes. HDPE is strong and cheap to produce, so it's the most produced plastic. Polyethylene is made from ethylene, which has two carbon atoms double bonded to each other and two hydrogen atoms bonded to each carbon. In the synthesis process, the two carbon bonds in ethylene are broken. Each carbon atoms can now link with another carbon atoms from another ethylene to form a long chain of carbon atoms, and it's then called polyethylene. Ethylene is produced by mixing ethane, which is part of natural gas, and has the same chemical composition of two carbon and four hydrogen, and it has a similar structure. So ethane is mixed with water, steam, and then is heated to very high temperature, around 850 degrees Celsius. A polymer is made up with many polymer chains that are attracted to each other by intermolecular forces. HDPE has a linear chain, which means all the carbon atoms are linked together in a straight line. This allows each polymer chain to attract and stick very close to the other chain, so it has strong intermolecular force.
We will now look at a few of the major properties of high-density polyethylene. The first property we will mention is it being thermoplastic, which means that it can be easily melted into any shape, and then when it cools, it hardens to maintain that shape. This means it is also easy to recycle, which is good for the environment. This is good for our practical uses because it means that we can create any shape we need to for the product that we need to make. The second property we will look at is its high strength to weight ratio. This gives us the durability we need for outdoor applications such as pipes or lawn furniture, as well as the ability to create thin containers that can carry a lot of weight, such as a water jug. The final property we will look at is how HDPE is non-degradable. This is good for products that we want to last a long time, such as using composite plastic decking instead of wood or any type of piping. HDPE is also resistant to UV rays from the sun, which will further protect it, and is useful for outdoor products such as lawn furniture, children's toys. Other types of plastics for similar applications are polypropylene, low-density polyethylene, and polyvinyl chloride. Although they have similar uses, HDPE is a stronger and more durable polymer and is more suited for these commercial applications. High-density polyethylene is one of the world's most used plastics, and its properties show why it is such a good polymer for many commercial uses. Thanks for watching.